Alright guys, so if you've been watching this channel for any time at all, you know that I love to review audio equipment. So when Tonor reached out to me and asked me to review their TC-2030 USB condenser mic, I had to say yes, and luckily they shipped it over to me and we're going to take a look at it today in this video. Hey guys, I've got a Discord now. Actually, I've got two of them. One of them's public, one of them's private. If you'd like to join the public Discord, jump down to the first link in the description down below. If, though, you'd like to join the private Discord, head over to my Patreon where you can become a patron there and gain access to the private Discord. Either way you decide to go, this is one of the most requested things from my viewers, is to have a Discord so where we can build a community. So definitely check out either of those links and we'll see you there. So this is an all-in-one kit. That means it comes with the microphone, the cable, the stand, the mounting hardware, everything you need to get going out of the box. It's an all-in-one kit, and I really do dig that they've got that set up for you here. The setup process is actually really straightforward. The desk clamp has actually got some padding in there, so it doesn't damage the top of your desk at all. The scissor arm is actually really great. I love that it's reinforced. It's got an extra steel bar in there to help kind of keep things rigid and strong so that you're not going to get as much play. Plus, it's got a great aesthetic to it. The TC-2030 also comes with a great shock mount that's got a lot of play to it, so if you bump your desk or whatever, you're way less likely to get any kind of noise from bumping the desk actually transferred into the microphone itself. The microphone itself has actually got a cardioid pattern for its pickup, so you're going to get a good wide sound stage for all of your vocal recordings and that sort of thing. It's also got kind of a background noise reducer built into it, as well as a built-in pop filter that's done with the board that's inside. You could add an additional pop filter, whether it's the foam sock that it comes with, or a filter like this that I have added to some of my other microphones. But this actually has a digital pop filter built into it, so you're not going to get the plosives and that kind of thing if you get way up close like this and you start talking with lots and lots of P's in what you're saying. None of this will be post-processed other than the volume up or down just for good listening levels, but I'm not going to add any compression or any noise reduction or anything like that to this video. So any of that you're going to hear is all done by the microphone itself. I kind of wish there was a switch or a dial or something that you could use to dial that down or turn it off, because not everybody is going to want the exact same sound profile when they're recording. So that is something to keep in mind, because it's got the noise reduction and the pop filters built in. That's something that you'll have to play with a little bit with your own recording to find a good setup for how you like to use your microphone. But I can say that after doing some testing, comparing it to my AT2020 with a Behringer interface, comparing these two literally side by side, the audio quality of the Tonor TC-2030 is absolutely amazing. Hey guys, the folks over at Tonor sent me their new condenser USB microphone. It's the TC-2030. It's this guy right here. Next to it, I've got an AT2020 from Audio-Technica hooked up to a Behringer Euphoria UM2. And basically what I want to do is kind of compare and contrast the sound quality of these two microphones in real time. So you may notice the audio quality changing kind of back and forth between the two, and I will be indicating which of the microphones I'm using at any given time with a little icon above each one to let you know which sound quality you're hearing, or which microphone is producing the sound quality you're hearing for that particular segment of this video. So hopefully I've got enough audio here that I can work with to kind of compare and contrast the two. They're equal distance from my face within margin of error. They're set up basically the exact same. After some preliminary testing between the two, I noticed that I had the gain on this one turned down, on this Audio-Technica turned down just a little bit, so I did increase it to try to match the volume that we're going to hear natively from the Tonor TC-2030. So anyway, you guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below, which one you like better. So if you're looking for a good all-in-one kit for a good price, definitely take a look at this kit. And if you're interested in that, I will have an affiliate link in the description down below where you can jump over to Amazon and pick one of these up for yourself. So I think that pretty much wraps up everything that I really wanted to say about the Tonor TC-2030. And I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. What are your thoughts on this kind of microphone? Have you used it? Would you like to try it? Let me know all that stuff in the comment section down below. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. As always, thanks for your time. I always appreciate your support, and I'll talk to you in the next video.